How to fix Discord hearing game audio. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem on Discord. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go now to apps, and on apps you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage option, then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.